We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR release test questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
The table shows the numbers of tomato plants and spinach plants in 5 different gardens. 34 plus 9 is 43. This pattern applies to the other rows as well. Hence, A is the correct answer. Question number 10. The picture shows 8 seats in a movie theater. Children are sitting in a fraction of the seats. Which expression is equivalent to the fraction of the seats that have children sitting in them? 1 child equals 1 seat. There are 8 seats. So the fraction of the seats that a child has sitting on them is 1 over 8. So J is the correct answer. Question number 11. Which number sentence can be used to find the number that goes in the box? B is the correct answer because 6 multiplied 2 equals 12. Question 12. Janet has 2 new games. Each game has 3 packs of cards. Each pack has 10 cards. Which model can be used to find the total number of cards Janet has for these 2 games? Each pack has 10 cards. Each game has 3 packs of cards. Therefore, F is the correct answer.